Oh, that feels good. Whew.
I don't remember what I put in my hair prior to braiding it, but whatever I did is really, really soft. And or maybe it's the leave-in conditioner that I was putting in, or the oil that I was putting in, the castor oil and stuff. Like I put a bunch of stuff in it while it's braided up for extra conditioning. But I think this is the first time that I can really feel, that might be a knot, I can really feel the moisture or whatever the results of what taking care of your hair inside your protective styles can be. So now I'm about to wash, deep condition, and style as usual, but stay here so you can see how much hair I actually lost in the last couple of weeks. Or not lost, but how much it shed. Oh, it looks so crazy. My eye is so red. And this is normal. I wear contacts, so I'm easily irritated. So as I let my deep conditioner deep condition my hair for the next hour, I just want to show you how much hair actually shed within 2 weeks that I had the braids in. So here's the clumps in 4 sections. Normally my hair, because I detangle it so often, I probably get like one of these, maybe, because I get it done pretty often. But obviously, since my hair has been up for 2 weeks, I get a palm full of hair, which is fairly normal for me. If you keep the braids in or your protective styles in longer than 2 weeks, a month, 2 months, 3 months, however long you want to do it, you'll probably get more shedding. It'll be harder to detangle because now it's getting knots and lint and all that other stuff. So it'll be a little bit harder and take a little bit longer to detangle, but it'll get done. It'll be fabulous. And after 3.5 hours, a wash, a deep condition, some Cream of Nature conditioner, and some Eco Style gel, I am back to my old self again. It was really a longer process than I thought it was gonna be, because usually my twists take maybe like less than an hour to take out, but the braids, because they're braids and you gotta unravel the braids, it's way easier to go like this with some twists than it is to take down some braids, but I like them. I'll be doing them again. I think my next venture will be to do some twists with a different kind of hair. Instead of the kanekalon hair, probably do some Marley hair or some Havana hair or something like that. I don't know, but I'm really into protective styles right now because I cut bangs a couple months ago and I didn't, first of all, I don't even like hair in my face. Like let's just start there. But I was itching for something new, a different style, a different shape or whatever. And I cut them and it looked okay, but I don't like hair in my face. So I'm like, why would you even, that don't even make no sense. So now I'm in the process of like actively trying to grow my bangs out. Of course I want my hair to grow and I have hair growth goals and whatever, but the main thing is to get this longer. I want it longer. Actually, it looks like it did get longer. Maybe it did grow out longer, but I want them longer than that. So that's why I'm on this protective style kick. And ladies and gentlemen, that's how I take down my braids. If you have any comments or questions, leave them in the comment box. If you have a request or a suggestion on a video, I'll probably make it. So go ahead and leave that in the comment box too. Subscribe and basically have the best day you can possibly have when you exit out this video.